Welcome back to GOO ROO Beauty. I am Jodi, and it is that time of the year, the most wonderful time of the year, especially for those of us beauty lovers out there. There are some fantastic limited edition holiday beauty items out there, as well as special collections, little holiday collections of our favorites that we enjoy the year round. If you are still looking for that perfect holiday gift for the beauty lover in your life or for yourself, there's some wonderful little goodies that are available right now that you can pick up. Before I go any further, can I just say, for those of you who've watched my recent videos and noticed that there's a bit of a lens glare, maybe a little bit of a green dot around my face somewhere, thank you for pointing that out. For those of you who've noticed, I have cleaned my lens multiple times. I've tried filming this video multiple times before. If this one still comes out with a green dot, I'm going to publish it. Please forgive me. God forbid. The quality control here is not optimal, but I will maybe need to go and get my camera professionally cleaned. So thank you for bearing with me. Apologies for that. And thank you so much for watching. So without any further ado, I'll start with skincare. We are hearing heaps and heaps about the brand Drunk Elephant. It's been out for a while now. It was highly recommended to me about a year ago from a staff member at Mecca. It's not a cheap skincare brand, so you're going to be laying down quite a wallop of cash if you are going to try a few full-size products. But of course, here in the holidays, we have some gift set options. Now, this one was sent to me by Mecca. It's a wonderful gift set from Drunk Elephant. It's called Rescue Party, and the wonderful thing about this is that it contains not only a full-sized item, but also some deluxe sample sizes of products that we are hearing about from those lovers of Drunk Elephant. A great chance to not spend quite so much cash, to check out some of the Drunk Elephant product offerings and just see what you like before you actually spend the money on the full size. So what the Rescue Party kit consists of, if we open up the top lid, it reveals a full size version of the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream. This is one that I currently have in my nighttime skincare routine. Can be used day and night though, but it is really nice and nourishing. It contains 6 rare African oils and is very hydrating and nourishing. I really love the packaging of this product. You've got one of those push down pumps that releases the perfect amount of product for one application, and yeah, you get that in this little Rescue Party gift set, as well as, if you pull off the top, the full-size version of the Drunk Elephant Lip Balm, LIPPE, and this one is recommended not only for the lip but also for the eye. You can apply it to the lips as needed. They say maybe used around the eye area. Doesn't have a particularly noticeable scent at all, but really looking forward to using that. I've had some dryness around the corners of my eyes recently, and looking forward to giving that one a try. But we've also got a really nice 30 ml size, this one's going to last you a while, of the Best No. 9 Jelly Cleanser. This one, they say, purifies and dissolves. Healthy skin starts with a pH balanced cleanse, they say. It's a jellified, unscented cleanser that removes all your makeup and impurities. So a nice chance to try out their cleanser, as well as a deluxe sample size of the Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum that quenches and illuminates, contains pineapple ceramide and provitamin B5. And finally, in the Rescue Party kit, we have a 5 ml size of the C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. I've heard wonderful, wonderful things about this eye cream. You gently pat that around your eye area using your ring finger, and yeah, very excited to try those products. Thank you very much, Mecca. Not all of the products in this video have been sent to me, but this one has been. Just a great opportunity to try some products from Drunk Elephant, or for that skincare lover in your life to try some products before, you know, they lay down a huge wallop of cash. One that I bought myself from Mecca Cosmetica, also lower in price than that full Rescue Party kit, is this one here. It's called the Night Bright Kit. They say that it's an overnight trip from dull to dreamy, and this one contains 2 deluxe sample sizes of Drunk Elephant products. First of all, the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum for refining and retexturizing, and then also an 8 ml size of the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. This one nourishes and balances. I've heard Ms. Hirons here on YouTube skincare guru of them all, sing the praises of this facial oil. I do love a facial oil at night time, but also under my makeup during the day. So looking forward to giving this one a try without having to, again, you know, go to the full expense of the full size product. Speaking of skincare gift sets, there is also a fabulous one out right now from Tatcha. They say skincare for makeup lovers Obento box, and it contains a deluxe sample size of the Tatcha the Silk Canvas Makeup Primer. I've been hearing about this one for a while and been looking at it every time I step into a Mecca, so really excited to have that. But also contains a full size of the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I do have one of these. I actually carry it in my handbag, a fantastic one just to freshen up your look sort of halfway through the day if things are looking a little dry or crepey or worn through the day. A beautiful one for touch up as well as under makeup or over makeup in the morning. Also contains a deluxe sample size of the Violet Sea Radiance Mask. This one reveals an instant and lasting glow, they say, with this creamy anti-aging mask packed with brightening Japanese beauty berry, 2 types of vitamin C and AHAs from 7 fruits. And finally contains a lovely deluxe sample size there of the water cream. They say transforms to release a burst of skin improving nutrients and refreshing hydration for clear, poreless looking skin. This is Japanese skincare, very, very well regarded there, the brand Tatcha. A great chance again to try some various product offerings from that brand without laying down a whole lot of cash for, you know, the full size products. On the lower cost line, there are some wonderful little beauty ornaments out there. I know Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. There's various different little things available in little ornaments that would look great on the tree. Also great as stocking stuffers. This one is from This Works and it's called Sleep Tight. It's a really cute little ornament that contains 3 little sample sizes of the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. I'll just open it up. This little ornament here, the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray that you spray on your pillow to help you get a lovely night's sleep. Smells like lavender, beautiful and calming. You get 5 mils there in that little spray bottle. Great chance to try some of the products. We've got a little 5 mil size of the This Works Plus Sleep Plus pillow spray. This one you shake well and spray directly onto bed linen as well. And then finally we have a little size of the Stress Check Roll-On. That's a 5 mil size. You're supposed to roll this one onto pulse points, enjoy the scent and unwind. So a lovely chance for some calming products, particularly helpful during this stressful holiday period. And then we also have a lovely gift set from a brand that I haven't tried anything from before. This is called Sol de Janeiro. They're a gift set that contains a Brazilian Bum Bum cream infused with all-powerful guarana extract. We've got a full looking size there and a little size there. We also have a Brazilian Kiss lip butter. Looking forward to trying that. And then finally a Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush Body Fragrance Mist. Ooh, they look absolutely lovely. I'm really excited to try those. Let me show you some makeup as well. That would be good for the holiday season. We have something from byTerry. They seem to come out with a new one of these face powders every single year. This year it's the Gem Glow Trio Compact. Comes in really lovely rose gold packaging. Everyone loves rose gold, and we've got some lovely sort of festive looking gems on the front of the package. It's not a heavyweight luxe feeling compact. It is a lighter weight, more plasticky feeling, but it looks beautiful. Once you open it up, the powders are absolutely gorgeous. We've got 3 shades of powder in here, and this is designed to be an all over luminous glow. So a really nice loose fluffy brush in this powder, and it just gives you a beautiful all over glow. I loved last year's one, and I'm really excited about this one for 2018. It's just a gorgeous looking powder. Another limited edition holiday palette that I'm very excited about is from Hourglass. They come out with one of these every year, and this is their new Ambient Lighting Edit Volume 4. It contains 6 of the Hourglass Ambient Lighting powders, and this is just a great one for travel. I particularly love it because it contains not only a bronzer for your face, not only a face finishing powder, but also a highlighter and a couple of options of blush. We have the finishing powder in dim light and also diffused light here. here, which is fabulous. We have got the strobe powder in Euphoric Strobe Light, and then also the two blushes. We've got Luminous Glow and Euphoric Fusion, and then the Filtered Bronze Light Bronzer. So just a great chance to, you know, try a few different face powders from Hourglass without spending a whole lot on just the one powder. These are absolutely beautiful powders that look great on skin like mine that might be textured. Doesn't certainly exacerbate any of the texture issues that you may be having. I find that these powders are certainly big enough for a nice you know, makeup face brush. Comes in a metallic pink packaging this year, the volume 4. Absolutely beautiful and thoroughly recommend. Another face powder product that I'm really excited about. This one would be great for those sort of really colorful kind of psychedelic lovers. I don't know if this is quite as festive as it is just kind of more festival kind of looking. We've got a sort of drippy, psychedelic, drippy, very, very colorful pattern here on the outside of the packaging. But this is the Smashbox Holidaze Contour and Spotlight Powder. I gouged it the last time I filmed or attempted to film this video, but nonetheless, I think you'll get a really good idea of what the product looks like. Don't mind the gouges. You've got a really nice full-size makeup mirror there. A really nice combination of different bronzers, different contour powders. We've got some highlight powders as well as some that would be more, maybe more of a finishing powder that you could even try underneath your eye. Just a really nice combination of 9 powders there. Everything that you could possibly want from a bronzing, contouring and highlighting point of view from Smashbox. I think Smashbox does face powders really, really well. And this is just a lovely one that covers all bases. Absolutely love that one from Smashbox. Another one relatively new from Too Faced. This has been out a while in the States and probably out for a month or so in Australia now, but very festive. It's the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice Eyeshadow Palette. A continuation of eyeshadow palettes that are known and loved by beauty lovers around the world, starting with the chocolate bar palette. Comes in a tin style packaging. The Gingerbread Spice is a scented eyeshadow product, not particularly strong in ginger or gingerbread, quite similar to the chocolate bar palettes in terms of scent. You definitely notice it, but I don't notice it once I've applied it on my face, and it's just beautiful. For those who are really enjoying those sort of warm palettes that are out these days, I think that this would be definitely very, very well received as a gift. We've got a blend of matte eyeshadow powders as well as more shimmery eyeshadow powders. I absolutely love the fact that you've got these purples, but also these medium browns and terracottas in this palette, and then some really nice sort of glittery purples, a beautiful gold there, a beautiful sort of bronzy coppery shimmery shade there. I love that we've got a highlighter and we've got a relatively dark matte shade there with reindeer paws. So very, very festive oriented, a perfect one for the holidays. I think it would make just a lovely, lovely Christmas gift with the little gingerbread man. Love the Gingerbread Spice palette this year. Definitely check that one out. And while we're still on the eyes, Stila has quite a few different options of their Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow sets. They released these liquid eyeshadows quite some time ago. They were very, very well received by the beauty community. They have various combinations available in gift sets now for the holidays. So I picked up one of these from Mecca recently. This is the Shimmering Heights Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow set in Shimmering Heights. They do have another version available, and then I've also seen a vault containing 12 different shades online only at Mecca. I'll include a link down below. I think it's about $286, something like that in Australian dollars, but a great chance to just get, you know, still a relatively decent size of these liquid eyeshadows from Stila, and you're getting, you know, a good combination of products. So we've got 3 different shades of these liquid eyeshadows in the Shimmering Heights set. First up, we have the shade Cloud. Cloud is a beautiful kind of lavendery, kind of purpley, kind of silvery, beautiful shimmery eyeshadow. We also have their version, their liquid eyeshadow version of Kitten. Kitten is where it all started for Stila, a lovely shimmery eyeshadow that was available in a pressed powder form to start with. Came in a few different eyeshadow palettes, but now we have the liquid version. I've heard mixed reviews about how this one applies, but I would still also always apply these over an eye primer just to get the very, very best consistency and longevity, but these are long lasting on their own. And then finally, the darkest shade in the kit is called Twig. It's a beautiful, warm, browny, lovely shade. I think this would be a great one for those with any color eye, really. Brown eyes like me, but also if you've got blue eyes or green eyes, I think that shade would be really complementary. So again, just a great way to try out these products in a few different shades without paying, you know, that full price for the full size product for one shade. Beautiful option there from Stila. I also have a really fabulous product for the holidays. This one may or may not be a gift, one for you maybe to wear during the holiday parties that you're going to right now leading up to Christmas. It's from Bumble Bumble and it's called BB Glimmer. This one is a rose gold finishing spray. They say give a touch of twinkle for a night out or in. This one you just shake up really well and you just hold it about 10 inches away from your head, 20 centimeters, and it just leaves, I've just sprayed some on my hand, it just leaves a really lovely light luster. You don't have to work too hard to make sure you're spraying it evenly. Just leaves a really lovely subtle glimmer all over your hair. I love it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. A great one to consider for the holidays from Bumble Bumble. And then finally, my last holiday gift recommendation for this year are the beautiful new lipsticks from Bobbi Brown. They sent me a few different ones to try, but I just thought they're the perfect Christmas gift. Sometimes just, you know, one single luxury product has a lot of impact in a gift, and these are absolutely beautiful. They're heavyweight, they feel very luxe, and they're in a gorgeous kind of brushed gold or semi-mattified type gold packaging. These are gorgeous. I'll include a link to the video down below where I actually swatched these products, but these are the Luxe Matte Lip Colors and they are gorgeous. They're long wearing, they're comfortable on the lips, a semi-matte kind of finish, but absolutely beautiful pigmented color and gorgeous packaging. A huge fan of those from Bobbi Brown. Or if you have someone in your life who you're buying for, or yourself, who likes the more kind of liquidy applications, they've also got these new lip colors as well. Again, they've got that beautiful gold lid that just gives a lovely festive feel to it. They've got the Luxe Liquid Lip Velvet Mattes. I'm loving the shade Follow Your Rose. And finally, the Luxe Liquid Lip High Shine. I don't find that these are very high shine despite the name, but they are a liquid, relatively long lasting on the lips. Beautiful shade here in the shade Camisole number 4. Absolutely love it. Let me know if you have seen anything that appeals to you in this video. Maybe you've already tried some of these products and you want to let me know about it. I'd love to hear from you. Or maybe this has given you a bit of an idea for that last minute holiday gift shopping that you still need to do for the beauty lovers in your life, or maybe even for yourself. And that's okay too. You've had a big year, you deserve it. Let me know if there's anything that appeals. I would love to hear from you. I do hope that you are able to make it an absolutely gorgeous day despite all the stress that everyone experiences this time of year. I hope that you have a chance to reflect on the year that's been and really, you know, let the good times and the good things and your accomplishments really sink in. Take a moment to appreciate all of that, appreciate yourself, appreciate how wonderful it is to be alive and enjoy this life that we have, and that you have a very, very happy holiday season with friends and family. I'm thinking of you. I'm off to spend the holidays with my family, my sister and my mother and my brother off in the US this year. So looking forward to the cold, hopping on a plane in a couple of days. Very excited for that. And I'll be seeing you in the new year. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget that you are absolutely beautiful inside and out, whether you use any of this stuff or not. And you know what? Always important to remember, so much more important than looking beautiful is being it. I will see you again really, really soon. Happy holidays. Mwah. Bye.
You're seeing me in the road.